Okay, so this video is all about finding the angle of a right angle triangle when you have two sides, and we're going to use trigonometry. So the first thing I've done is I've labelled my sides. So my 3 is opposite my unknown angle, so it's the opposite. My longest side is 5 because it's opposite the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse. I've written down SOHCAHTOA. I've noticed that I need the hypotenuse and the opposite, so it means I'm going to use the sine function. So I know that the sine of the angle is 3 over 5. So if I want to find the angle, I'm going to use a button on my calculator that calculates the inverse of this. The opposite of the ratio is the angle. So if I press sine to the -1 of 3 over 5, it will find me the angle, which is 36.9. So to do this on my calculator, I would do the following. I would press shift. So the first thing I press is shift, then I press sine. Notice it comes up with sine to the -1. Then I do 3 divided by 5, and I close brackets, and it gives me my 36.9. I've rounded, obviously. So what have I done? I've gone press, shift, sine, brackets, 3 divided by 5 equals. So I've pressed shift, then sine, then a bracket, then my 3 divided by 5, close brackets and equals, and that's given me the answer. So that will get me my angle. You're perfectly acceptable to write this down in an exam. You don't need to put lots of work in. So this is perfectly fine to write in an exam.